Tom ate 3/8 of a pizza. Sarah ate 5/8. Who ate more?
Watch the full video to see the answer at the end.
Today, we're going to learn how to compare fractions using 3 simple rules. Ready? Let's begin. Rule 1. When 2 fractions have the same denominator, let's compare 3/5 and 4/5. First, we draw a bar. Now we divide it into 5 equal parts, because the denominator is 5. Next, we shade 3 parts to show 3/5. Let's do the same for 4/5. Draw the bar, divide it into 5 equal parts, and shade 4. Take a moment to look at both bars. 4 parts is more than 3 parts, so 4/5 is greater than 3/5. Same denominator, just compare the numerators. When 2 fractions have the same numerator, let's compare 3/4, 3/5 and using a fraction wall. The first bar has 4 equal parts. We shade 3. The second bar has 5 equal parts. The parts are a little smaller. We shade 3 again. Take a moment to think. Which shaded bar is the longest? The bar with quarters has the longest shading because quarters are the biggest parts. So when the numerators are the same, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. Rule 3. When the numerator and the denominator are both different, we use a fraction wall. Let's compare 5/6 and 3/5. First, we draw 2 bars of exactly the same length. Divide the top bar into 6 equal parts and the bottom bar into 5. Shade 5 parts on top and 3 parts below. Pause the video and decide which shaded bar is longer. The top bar has more shading, so 5/6 is greater than 3/5. The longer shaded bar is always the greater fraction. Let's remember our 3 rules. Same denominator. Compare the numerators. Same numerator. The smaller denominator is greater. Both different. Use a fraction wall. Now it's your turn. Let's practice with question 25 from your Pyramid Learning Practice Workbook. Question A, 1/4 and 3/4. Which sign goes in the box? Pause the video and decide. The denominators are the same, so we compare the numerators. 1 is less than 3, so 1/4 is less than 3/4. Question B, 2/5 and 1/5. Pause and decide. Same denominators again. 2 is greater than 1, so 2/5 is greater than 1/5. Question C, 3/8 and 3/4. Remember Rule 2. Pause and think. The numerators are the same, so the smaller denominator wins. Quarters are bigger than eighths, so 3/8 is less than 3/4. Time for a brain buster from your workbook. Tom ate 3/8 of a pizza. Sarah ate 5/8. Who ate more? Pause the video and decide before I reveal the answer. Each pizza is cut into 8 equal slices. Tom ate 3 slices, that's 3/8. Sarah ate 5 slices, that's 5/8. The denominators are the same, so we compare the numerators. 5 is greater than 3, so 5/8 is greater than 3/8. Sarah ate more. Well done if you got it right. Great work today. For extra practice, try questions 25 and 26 in your practice workbook. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more lessons and tell us in the comments which maths topic we should learn next.